Hey, what's up guys? Alex of Bay Cities Construction here. I'm at my job site in LA over by Baldwin Hills. Hey, today is window day. Windows almost completely in. All we got is one more little window to put over there. Let me give you a little walkthrough around the house. We also have insulation going in, and tomorrow we got inspection, so we got to get everything ready to roll. See, all these windows on this side are all in. They're all flashed up, waterproof, all of that good stuff. You know, it's important that when you replace windows, you take into account that you're gonna have a lot of rotted wood. So you have to have lumber on site to make sure that you don't stop. So see that whole area, that whole section was replaced. This used to be all glass block here. So that got removed and we created a shear wall because that glass block weakens the wall. Here's another window in the rear. Now, here's a funny thing. Well, I guess there's nothing funny about it, but see, this window's a little different than this one. This one's a single hung window, goes up and down. So this whole window opens up. And the reason for that is because in case of a fire, you gotta be able to get out. Like if the house is on fire, there's nothing easy about it. You're gonna fly out that hell out of the window. So here's the same thing here. We got a nice big Pella. Actually, this is a good example. So you got a nice big window. And that's kind of your regular single hung. So we gotta waterproof this box still. We have a ton of insulation here. As you can see, we're sorting out, we recycle as much as we can. All that steel is gonna get recycled. All of that wood's gonna get recycled. So, you know, try and minimize the impact on the landfill because those things are filling up pretty fast around here. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Please follow us on Facebook and YouTube. We also have a really good website for house remodeling. This is a full house remodel. Not so much a retrofit, but I'll keep you updated with our other projects that we're doing retrofit works. My name is Alex, Bay City Construction. You don't need a contractor, but you need a team of pros.